हाय किड्स। इस वीडियो में हम ट्रेस करेंगे A, B, C, D। लेट्स लर्न कलर्स नेम ब्राउन, ऑरेंज, रेड, पिंक, ग्रीन, ब्लैक, violet, sky blue, blue and yellow color, black color, A, B, C, D, yellow color, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for duck, brown color, A, B, C, D, green color, A for ant, B for bat, C for cat, D for duck, pink color, A, B, C, D, orange color, A for aeroplane, B for balloon, C for cat, D for dinosaur, blue color, A, B, C, D, yellow color, A for alligator, B for bat, C for cycle, D for door. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.